Hi. So today we're starting some new sculpture pieces, and we have some rusted, kind of an abstract flower and a cactus, and they're extremely rusted. Now it's surface rust, and there's a way that we deal with that when we want to glitter over the top of it. You definitely don't want to glitter directly on rust. So maybe you've seen other videos of mine. I use Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. This product not only will give you a nice flat base of black to work over, but it actually neutralizes the rust. So the rust won't come through and eat whatever your glue is or adhesive is. It won't eat through and take your glitter off. Okay, that's important. If you're going to go through all the work of glittering something like this, you don't want the rust to come through and just start, having patches falling off. So hit it with this, and it should do the trick. Now, don't be stingy. You want to make sure you get a nice full coat. You don't want to see any, hint of rust when you're done. All right. So it's a windy day. Even with the wind, I'm still going to wear a respirator. This stuff, is like any spray materials. You want to wear a respirator. Even if you're working outside, it's a good idea. When I get these all ready, I'm going to be turning them over to Diza, and she's going to show you a couple different sealers that can be used as adhesives and also as sealers. Okay, so here we go.
Alright, for this cactus that I'm going to decorate with glitter, I am using Helmsman's Spar Urethane, just like I did for the other video of the big one, just a different brand. Helmsman's. Okay, going. I'm also using a foam brush this time instead of the bristle brush.